In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft Teams chat history. To get started, open your Microsoft Teams account and make sure you're signed in. Once Teams is loaded, take a look at the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation options, including your chats, Teams, calendar, and other tools. For this tutorial, we'll be working inside the chat section. Go ahead and click the chat icon in the left panel. After that, you'll see your list of conversations appear, usually along the left side. This list includes your recent one-on-one chats and group conversations. Find the specific chat that contains the message you want to remove and click on that conversation to open it. When you do, the full chat thread will appear on the right side of the screen. Now locate the message that you personally sent and want to delete. It's important to note that this process applies to messages you have sent yourself. Once you've found the correct message, move your cursor over it. As you hover over the message, a small set of options will appear. These usually include quick reactions, along with an additional menu for more actions. Click the More Options icon. This is typically shown as 3 dots. When the menu opens, select Delete. As soon as you do that, Teams will remove the content of the message from the conversation. In its place, you'll see a note that says, "This message has been deleted." That's the full process. If you need to remove more than one message, you can repeat the same action for each individual message in the chat. Just open the conversation, hover over the message you want to remove, open More Options, and click Delete. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that deleting a message in Teams does not usually erase the entire conversation thread. Instead, it removes the specific message you selected and replaces it with the deleted message notice. So if your goal is to clean up individual messages from your history, this is the method you'll want to use. And that's it. You now know how to clear a message from your Microsoft Teams chat history quickly and easily.